Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Jeff King here in the old Acme Tools. Sorry, no Bear today. He's taking a break until we get transitioned down to the Vegas area. Once we get all set up on there, the Bear will be back. So it'll be about a week or so. Anyway, we still have, because it is Monday, September 22nd. Yeah, time is ticking down, but we got deals of the week for you. So let's jump into them. Hot, tasty, smoking, spicy deals. First off, we got an old school one. We got the Workmate 425 from Black & Decker. This is the original portable clamping workstation that everything we have today is kind of derived from. I can remember infomercials for this thing back when I was a little cub. Black & Decker portable workbench, project center, yada, yada, yada. $75 down from $132. Believe it or not, these things have always been a bit on the pricey side. And looking at my numbers, $75 is a heck of a deal on this, at least coming out of Amazon there. So free shipping and whatnot from it. Let's jump up and see what else Amazon's got for us. We got a slew of Gearwrench here. We got Gearwrench. Look at it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 Gearwrench ratchets. We got 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. We have standard. We have flex head. Now these are all in the 84 tooth, which for my taste, and everyone has their own opinion on this, I like the 84 tooth the best when it comes from Gearwrench. Yes, they have higher. They kind of set the standard for that really ultra fine tooth. And we'll talk about those in just a second, but not my flavor. This is the one I would like. And if you want a one and done solution for professional grade tools, and these are tool truck, the Gearwrench is the original tool truck alternative, coming out and taking on Snap-on and Matco and Mac and everybody else. And for $270, this is not a bad deal. It comes out like $20-some, $23 or something per wrench, if my math is correct, and it probably isn't. Anyway, if you're looking for a one and done solution, this is the way to go. Now, if you're looking for a smaller combo set, we also have this one. Again, it's the 84 tooth as well. Coming in, you're getting 4 of them, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. You're getting the ultra, and they're all the flex heads, okay? All flex heads on these. And you're looking at $118 for all 4 of them. That's a heck of a nice deal. Now, look at this. This is interesting. Where'd it go? I thought I had one more. I did have one. There it is. Okay. It's jumping around on me. Somehow the Weehaw got in there. Anyway, this is the other set we've got. And if you notice, you look real close. We're coming to zoom in here. These are the 120 ultra fine tooth ratchets, okay? So you're getting the same ones as that other 4-piece. You're getting the stubby, I think that's a 3/8. You're getting the flex head 3/8. You're getting the 1/4 inch, and you're getting the 1/2 inch as well. But you're getting them at 120 for the same price. For the same price. Why would anybody choose those over these? Well, some people, and myself included, find the fine tooth to sometimes be a little too fine, if you know what I mean. If you really want to pull on it, you kind of worry about it. Anyway, maybe we're just making a mountain out of a molehill. Let me know what you think. Are you 84 tooth club? 72 to 84, I know it's kind of depending on if you're in Gearwrench or not. Or are you more in the 120 ultra fine tooth club? Let me know what you think. All right, now speaking of ultra fine, we got the Weehaw Mini L Key Short Hex Metric Set here. This is, I know Weehaw makes some great stuff, and this isn't a big deal. It's just a couple of Allen wrenches here. But, you know, Weehaw makes, as I said, they make good stuff. And when you're going ultra fine like that, you kind of need a better quality because it's so easy for those things to break. All right, $3.87. Not a bad deal on that one. All right, moving on. Let's see what we got. We got a Kershaw, the Barricade here. Now, if this is a great one to have in the car, just throw it in the center console. Kershaw makes decent knives. I know a lot of people are big fans of them. They're not my favorite, but for $22.50, get an emergency one because this has got the glass breaker on the end. It's got the seatbelt cutter. It's got a universal knife. That's a great, just keep in the center console, keep in the glove box kind of knife. Bright orange, so you know if there is an emergency, you can grab it and get it. And I'd hate for any of you to be in an emergency where you need this, but if you do, then you really need it. So for $22.50, not a bad pick up there with winter right around the corner. You know, the weather's going to be changing. Roads are going to be getting worse. All right, we got some DeWalt stuff for you. Look at this. We got the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR. This is the angle grinder with kickback brake, slide switch, 4.5-inch discs that it'll take. You're looking at tool only. Of course, this is the XR, meaning it's brushless. Coming in at $160 and basically $170 on that. I think that's a pretty good deal. I looked at the pricing. It's jumped around a lot. Basically, does get a little bit lower, but also gets quite a bit higher. So this is a good, nice middle of the road kind of savings on that one. Next up, we've got the DeWalt 20 volt max XR cordless half-inch drill driver tool only. And if you see down here, the little swivel on that lets you know this is one of the newer generations. Full metal chuck, the whole 9 yards. XR, of course, is the DeWalt's, their top-of-line professional grade kind of stuff. Anyway, $129 on that. Let's see what we got up next. We got the hammer drill also for $179 if you're looking to go that route. Now, let's see, after that, we got this. If you saw my background on who makes what power tools or who owns what power tools, you would have saw that this popped up. And I'll be honest, prior to doing the research for that video, I thought this was just another no-name throwaway Amazon brand. And turns out that they are made by Positech. These are the same guys and gals who own Rockwell Tools, who make Works Tools. They make, who else do they have? There's another brand in there somewhere that I'm forgetting here. So this is a company that's been making tools for decades, all right? 30 years at least. And they know what they're doing. Are they super high-end tools? No, they're not. But should they be reasonably, reliable tools? I would imagine they would be. And when you can get them at a good price, you might want to consider it. Now look at this. We're looking at $75 on this. That's getting you the cordless multi-tool. Nice release handle on it. Easy access blades there. And you got some sanding paper. You got a couple blades. You got a bag. You got the battery charger. Whole 9 yards. $75. But there's a coupon on this. You click on the little coupon. That's going to take $30 off. Now, if my math is correct, that makes this a $45 cordless multi-tool. Seems like, if you're looking for another brand to try something that's easy to access, easy to get, the ordering off of Amazon can't get much easier than that. So if you're looking for a bargain brand, maybe consider Wesco. I'm not here saying that they're the best that's out there. I'm not even saying that they're amazing or anything like that. I'm just saying that the parent company that makes these is somebody that we all know and has maybe not the top of the level, but has definitely been made reliable homeowner DIYer kind of stuff. $45 for cordless. That's not too bad. Let's see what else they've got. They also have this. They have the mini circ saw for those of you who like I really love these for tearing down sheet goods, that kind of stuff. $90. This is cordless, not corded. You'll see corded ones at that price. $20 off with coupon. That's going to take this down to $70 for a cordless, small circ saw like this. With depth of cut is 1 1/8, so you're not going to rip huge, super thick kind of stuff. But as I said, sheet stock. What's the average size, plywood you're ripping down? 1/2 inch at best. So there you go. It's a great lightweight way to do that. All right, let's keep going here. Who we got after this? Now this one, we got some Wera tools. As you know, kind of a fan bear when it comes to Wera tools. The bear and I both agree. They're some of them are a little expensive, but they're all pretty awesome. And I saw this set, and this one was really jumped out at me because look at this. You're getting the nut drivers, you're getting the ratchet, you're getting the wrench in there. You're getting a lot of great options. This is kind of all around, just one and done kind of like service set kind of here, and a nice holder there. $138. I realize it's a little bit high, but for how much these higher end ones, this does literally go for $164 on average. This is the lowest price that I've seen it at. I'm looking at all my records here. Lowest price ever is by $30 to $40 easily. So if you're looking for a set like this, you got to maybe gift for dad coming around Christmas. Guys and gals, don't be like me. Don't wait last minute for Christmas. You will be disappointed. You'll be trying to find stuff, and there'll be nothing available because of all the shipping delays and stuff we're seeing, especially if they go on strike. I know they're trying to avert the strike, but if they go, anyway, that's a whole nother topic. Now this, as you've been around the channel, this is like my favorite go-to pocket screwdriver that I can carry with me. It's got the extension on it. It's got all the bits, everything else. $33.68 on that. That is a great option. Now, as I said, Christmas is around the corner, which means you need to get your Wera Advent Calendar. I kid you not. This is a thing. In fact, it's been a thing for some time. And this will get you all the Christmas coated special edition. You got the bit driver. You got the wrenches there. You got the bottle opener. You got the bit check 7-bit torsion set there. You get all of that plus the little Wera calendar box, all of that for $90. So if you're a big Wera fan like I am, and or maybe you got a Wera fan in your family looking for a Christmas present, that would be the way to go. All right, let's jump over to Woot. This is, of course, Amazon's sister company. This is the deal of the day kind of place that they started that deal of the day thing. The Black & Decker matrix system. Now I have this, and I bought this, and I paid, I think, more than this, like $20 more than this, and I was pretty happy with it. I will be honest, Black & Decker has really gone downhill. This is one of the few products that I think really has a place, because if you're looking for a portable set, a set maybe to go RVing, a set to take with you, a set to loan out, an extra set to have around the shop, this thing is pretty awesome because the drill body is the main motor, holds everything else, and all these other heads pop off of it. You got a sander, a multi-tool, an impact, a drill, a router. Yes, a router, and I believe that's a jigsaw, saber saw kind of thing there as well. And if you hunt around, you can also find a corded version of the handle. So if you just want to leave it plugged into the bench, you can plug all those other things on it. Not for heavy-duty kind of stuff, of course, but for DIY, one-and-done kind of solutions. Gift for the brother-in-law, $130. Get him to stop borrowing your tools. Might be the way to go. All right, let's jump over to Home Depot. We got a bunch from over Home Depot. We got the Ryobi 1 cordless 8. This is the tool only circ saw, 5.5 inch. Okay, this is it's $29. $29 for a cordless saw. Are you kidding me? No, it's not the super high end brushless yada yada or the HP or that kind of stuff. But if you want if you need a cordless saw to add to your arsenal, $29, that's hard to beat that price. Let's see what else we got. We got the cordless kit, 3 tools with the battery and with the charger. And look, no flashlight involved. That's awesome. You're actually getting 3 tools: the drill driver, the saw, and the recip saw, the battery. Again, these are the base level tools from Ryobi, coming in at $109. Speaking of compact bit drivers there, check this out. 8-in-1 compact ratcheting multi-bit driver from Milwaukee. If you like the Milwaukee stuff, $10.97. I mean, why not give it a try at that price? All right, let's see what else we got here. We got a Ryobi light. I have a couple of these. They're not the brightest light, but if you're working in a room, like we do some work in the basement, we've been slowly converting the house over to PEX a little bit at a time. And the lighting down there is no lighting. And it's practically a dungeon down there. But you throw one of these on a battery, you set it over there, and you got nice, good, even lighting. I always like to use 2 of them. It helps prevent the shadow kind of thing there. And they work great for that. Check this out. The Ryobi 1 Plus HP, that's their high-power brushless. This is their cordless table saw from Ryobi. Look at that. You're getting the 8-inch. Now, it's not a 10-inch. It's an 8-inch. You're getting the 2 batteries, the charger, and free gift with purchase is another 4 amp-hour performance battery. Then I got a couple Milwaukee things for you. We got the Milwaukee Rocket Light. Of course, this is always a big popular one, coming with the 2 batteries in there. You're getting the batteries, the charger, and the light. Look at that. What do we got here? The X2. These are 6.0 batteries here for $200. That is not a shabby deal on that. But wait, don't order now. Hold on, let me make sure that's all there is with that one. Thought there was a free gift with that. No, maybe it's the next one. The next one is, this one. We got the M12 blower. If you're really big into the M12 line, you need a nice little lightweight blower. This is more like get the sawdust out, get the grass clippings off. You're not going to be moving big, thick, wet leaves with this. But, come on, you're getting, what do we got here? We got 2 of the 2.0 batteries, the charger, and the blower there for $129. That's not a bad deal. All right, we're going to jump over to Walmart here. Look at this. Reese, that's a good quality, automotive kind of stuff. Not great, just decent. Reese carry U-Venture, if you're looking for bars, top bars, crossbars for your roof rack. $20. $20. That is down from $70. They must be clearing these things out. So you might have to hunt and look around for them. Although you can add it to cart, you can order it. So as always, links are down below. Next up after that, we got the Hart table. Look, down from $75. They're clearly clearing this one out, just like they did the last one. Who knows how low the price will go? Who knows how low inventory already is on it? Anyway, you can order it now. You can go hunt for it in store there. All right, then we're over to Acme Tools. They sent this over. They said, hey, you got to check this out. They said these are the lowest prices these have been listed at in over a year. We got the 20 volt max folding string trimmer tool only. Now, of course, they're not going to show us the price. Why? Because they want you to look in cart. But anyway, we're going to look in cart anyway. Add to cart. Let's see what it is. It's coming in at $139. We got the chainsaw. This is a decent chainsaw. This is actually a really nice chainsaw. This one's coming in at $224, and it's the kit, so you're getting the battery and everything else with that, I do believe. If it's the kit, it better have the battery. All right, and next up is the, what we got here? Oh, we got the trimmer attachment here. So if you've got one of the ones that will take attachments, that's coming in at $99. Oh, let's see what else they got. We got the edger attachment. Let me guess, $99. Could it be? No, it's $64.99. I lose. And then we got the 20 volt max string. That is different than the first one. 20 volt max 14 inch. Tool only. Oh, this is the kit. So this is the kit with the battery, with the charger. You're getting the 5 amp hour battery. That's a good battery in that. Let's add it to cart. Cart says $200. That is a good price on that trimmer. That's a good trimmer. All right, and last but not least, at least for Acme, we got the Milwaukee chainsaw. This is the full kit. You're getting the battery, the charger, the chainsaw, whole 9 yards. Add it to cart. We're coming in. I think it's at $4.99. Yeah, it's right there in front of us. $4.99. I didn't add that to cart. But anyway, you're getting the 12 amp hour battery with this, and that's why that one is so pricey on that, if you're wondering. Now, just a few items left, because, I like to save the best for last. But before we do it, I had a lot of people recently going, hey, you've saved us a lot of money over the past year, and I was trying to find a way to support the channel. I don't make it to the live stream, stuff like that. Well, YouTube has added this new feature right down there that says thanks. It's right down here. So you can click on that under any of the videos. If we select, you've got one of those with the Walmart, the Heart toolboxes, normally like $400. You got one for $169. You just saved yourself a bundle of cash, and say you want to throw something our way. We totally appreciate it. It's not a requirement, but people have been asking, so that's the easiest way to do it. All right, now let's jump into Deal of the Week. And this one, it's big and it's not big, but I've been following this since they went up. We had the huge sale, I think it was 2 years ago at this point. That is the Metabo HPT table saw. Probably the best bang for the buck job site table saw out there. Not compact. This one's, it's got an outfeed table. It's got a DeWalt style, but it uses a chain feed rather than rack and pinion. This is a great table saw. Normally $600. It really is. And then sometimes it'll come down. There was a time, there was a season, I think it was 2020, where it dropped down to just under $300 for like a day or two. And we saw it tick down. And ever since then, we've been watching it. And I guarantee you, I check the price on this each and every week, trying to see if it's going to do it again. And then today, it just, boom, dropped to $430. Will it drop lower before Black Friday? Who knows? Would I bet on it if I've been waiting on the saw? No, I'd get it now, because this is that good a saw, and I really haven't seen other huge sales like that, so I would just go ahead and do it. All right, and the other bonus round is Champion Power Equipment Generator 7,500 starting watts. All right, the reason I'm at 9375/7500. So the reason I mention this is because I know a lot of you are facing some nasty weather down south, and at least it's looking, if it says it can deliver to me by Wednesday. And I know that Ida, or whatever her name is going to land on Thursday. So if you're looking for that kind of thing, if you can get it to me in rural, obscure Montana, it can probably get it to you by then. Or maybe not. Who knows what they're doing with deliveries and stuff. But it's just an option. I'm going to throw it out there. Anyway, that's all I got for you. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.